G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm off to Red Rooster. They've got a brand new $10 Value Megabox which I want to suss out. So how about we whip on in, grab one, suss it out and see what it's like. Let's go! Alright, well here we go, the $10 Value Megabox. $10 this cost! Anyway, it's got some serious weight about it. I've got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. Well, how about I just take it out of this paper bag for starters. Oh, and here we got the box. Wow. Well, you're looking at probably at least 600 grams for this. That's a massive feed. Oh, anyway, let's suss it out and see what we get inside. Oh, yeah. La-da-da-da-da-da. Whoa! Dudes! Let's not forget this sauce. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Now the Value Megabox deal is 2 pieces of tenders, 5 times cheesy nuggets, 1 piece of fried chicken, regular mash and gravy, small chips, blackened aioli sauce. But if you don't want the cheesy nuggets, you can get normal nuggets. And, well, it says that you can get fried chicken or hot fried chicken or the honey fried chicken, but they didn't ask me if I wanted any of those. I would have gone the honey. And you can choose aioli, herb mayo, or the blackened aioli sauce. I think I got the blackened. And you can also choose if you want regular mash and gravy, or regular chips, I think. But here we go. Let's have a look. Cheesy nuggets, yummo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 chicken strips, your chips, and let's just see if I got the mashed potato and gravy. No, it looks like I just got the gravy. Oh, I was hoping to get the mashed potato and gravy, but anyway, that gravy is going to go down an absolute treat. I'm going to drink it like it was an actual drink, which I could have got for an extra $2. Well, how about we start off with one of these cheesy nuggets? See if it is actually cheesy. Oh, right. Oh, you can see the little piece of cheese there on the side. Ha, classic. But flavour-wise, I mean, not really flavourful. A bit cheap and nasty tasting. But still, quite enjoyable. And how are their chips today? Are they cooked properly or soggy? My guess is half soggy. Oh no, I was wrong. Yeah, fully soggy. But they're seasoned nicely. Now, how about these tenders? That thing's got to be 5 inches long, if not 6. And the coating looks really nice on it. What there is of it. Oh. Oh, mate. That's worth the price of admission as it is. Oh, that's tasty. Juicy. Sort of garlicky, but delicious and flavourful. And this piece of fried chicken, oh, look at the coating on it. Oh, mate, it is looking good. I kind of wish it tasted as good as it looked. It tastes all right. And this gravy. Ooh. Oh, wow! Looks like something I'd love to rub all over and coat my whole body with. Lubricate it and just lick myself. Oh, man, it's looking good. Oh, so good with these chips. Oh, mate. I wish the bag had more chips in it, because This looks amazing. I just can't believe how silky smooth that gravy is. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. Oh, this is a tasty box.
That's what he said.
Oh, I forgot the aioli. This is why I should have got the mashed potato, because it already came with a different dipping sauce. Whoa. It's very vinegary tasting. Oh. I'm not really enjoying that. There. I don't think I'd be getting that if I got to choose again. But maybe it's for these chicken nuggets. No. Nothing saving this aioli. So I wonder what score I'm going to give this box out of 10. Well, there you was, $10 for 600 grams worth. Mate, for me a bit of deal you can get anywhere else for that price. Well, I suppose you could go to Coles or Woolies and buy a whole chicken for that price. It's probably 1.5 kilos or 2. But anyway, now these nuggets, yeah, well, they were all right. They weren't flash or anything. They're very processed, and even though they're cheesy, you do get a little bit of the cheese, but nothing special. The chicken tenders, mate, the chicken tenders are delicious. Ooh, I really enjoyed them. I wish I could have swapped out 5 nuggets for 2 more of these things. The piece of chicken, well, it was all right. I would have preferred maybe the hot honey one with a bit of sauce on it. But I mean, it's still half decent and tasted pretty good. Chips were a bit soggy today, but hey, I don't know why, because there was like a line-up for the drive-through about 6 kilometres long, so they should have been like fully fresh. And the gravy, beautiful. Salty, silky smooth, delicious. I wish I could have got the potato and gravy though. I would have preferred that. But I mean, all up, a very nice and satisfying meal. So from my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Value Megabox. $10 from Red Rooster. I reckon this deserves a... Oh boy. I wouldn't advise doing that. 8.5 out of 10. Mate, it's a very nice feed. I could have got a drink for an extra $2. Let's say for $12 I could have got the whole deal. But look, it's pretty nice. It's not awesome though. Some of the products are a bit underwhelming. And this aioli sauce, mate, oof, boy, very vinegary and tart. But the rest of it was good. I would have liked a mashed potato and gravy, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. But it's got a bit of everything for everyone, and well, if you wanted to share it, I suppose you could too. It'd be well worth sharing, that's for sure. But there you go. The Mega Box, $10 from Red Rooster. Will you be whipping in to grab one? If you do go there, tell him Greg sent her. Maybe someone there might have a clue. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Red Rooster. Oh yeah. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are pink.